Welcome to part 2, family. So next patient, but you know what happened this time? It's gonna be different treatment. Old time, long time, banana porridge preparation. My bananas are peeled, my pot is over here, and I have my cinnamon leaf. I get out the flavor out of it. You know how we do it? Right on over here. I have my grater. I'm going to slap 5 bananas. I'm going to just go ahead. This porridge is going to come out with a different color. And I'll tell you why when it's finished. These little parts are not to be in there. You've got to search them out as you grate and go along. You see what I'm doing? So you realize that I'm grating the banana. So I'm going to go now finish grating these, and when we return, we're going to continue on the old time, long time banana porridge journey. Huh? Okay, now family, we're finished grating our bananas. And if you can look good, I'm not sure if the camera will pick it up, but they're oxidizing. So this is the grated banana, and I'm going to be using some coconut milk. Let me mix up my coconut milk. This coconut should be a little greener, but I never get no greener one. And I'm going to start beating. When I start doing this, anybody that recognizes or remember this, please comment. I'm going to be beating with the fork. That's how we used to do it back then. This is the back then banana porridge. So we are going to be beating a little milk at a time whilst we're over here with our cinnamon bean thing there with cinnamon and flavor up with water over this. So we are going to beat with a little milk. Beat, continuously beating. We want to get it as fine as we can, but it's not going to come as smooth. We want to get it as smooth, not fine, but it's not going to come as smooth as the one that we got in the blender. This one is going to come with a little lump. Therefore, it's going to name pop. Banana, green banana, pop, or what you want to call it, okay? So we are going to continue beat out this with a little milk till it come to the consistency we want it. And when we come back, we are going to show you how it looks when we have put it in our pot. And when we put it in the water this again, we have to go whip it out again in the hot water. So come. Okay, now family, this is what it looks like. We can put a little more of the coconut milk to make it more loose. Yeah, because we still don't need more. So this is what it looks like. Now, we're going to be pouring in. Wow, this is the wrong container. Stirring with your spoon as you go along down there. I hope you're seeing this. I hope the camera is picking up this. Hope it is picking up this. Okay. Now that it's in there, you have to go stir. You've got to stir. Look at me stirring. You're going to stir. And this one is going to cook for about 15 minutes until you get almost all of these. It's not, remember I told you, it's not going to come as smooth. You've got to stir it. Let's continue stirring. And when we are ready to add our flour mixture, we will come back to show you what it looks like. Okay? Okay, now family, look at this. It's boiling, and look at this. These are all the banana, the grating of the banana. It's like about 8 minutes or about 10 minutes in now. Look at this. And these you're gonna cook them, but they will never cook until they come. They will be cooked, but they will have all these little, sort of little roughness in there. This was the banana porridge back then. We never have no blender. I've got a lot of whisk. My girl will say, Mom, why don't you use a whisk? I have whisk, but me not use no whisk. Why? Because we never have no whisk back then in the country. I'm a want to do it all time, long time way. Let me see if you don't remember. Here, anybody will remember, can tell me. So look here now. The banana almost cooking us. So look here now. We are going to put in a little flour mixture. Remember that? We are taking, you can see, say it now come to, You see it and move, you see it never come to. So we are putting a little flour now. Forget it, you see? Now that you put in the flour, you see what it's looking like? So I could put the little rest of the flour. Because with this here now, this version, you have got to put a little more flour. Why me have to put a little more? Put the camera up on me. Why me have to put a little more flour, Debbie? Because this here, the granules are not properly, you know, like on the blender, whip it out. This not properly whip out. You know, the cooking. So you have to put a little extra flour. Look at it now, coming to come. Papa Jesus, and this your porridge I me want. We soon come back. Okay, now family. Yes, sir. We are there, and let us turn our porridge off. This, it should be a little grayer too, you know, the banana, them should have oxidized a little more. But because I have them in the water, it seems, this is the consistency. Oh, hello, please. Hello, if you're my age, and you could be a little younger too, and you could be a little older. This is the banana porridge of all. Oh, look here. Please to comment, family. Please to comment. I am going now, and I'm gonna be sweetening it with the condensed milk. You know if you sweeten your porridge already, we're gonna sweeten it and we're gonna put a little nutmeg in and we're gonna plate up some more. When I come back, I want to tell me in the comment section which one I prefer, because so help me God. Me I gonna show you which one I prefer or me I gonna eat them. My soon come. Okay, now family, you saw the consistency of that, the other one in part 1. You see the difference of this one. This is the old time, long time banana porridge. I soon come back. I soon come. Okay, now family, it don't really matter. You can put little flaxseed or little pan this too. This is the remainder from the one, because the one that I plated out for you, that didn't creep you up. So look here, so I'm put, you know, so let me put it there. So let me show you. From my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your plate and to your stomach most of all, it is green banana porridge, Jamaican green banana porridge done 2 ways. Please do enjoy. Please in the comment section, family, one is in the green bowl, one is in the red bowl. Please to tell me your choice. Tell me which one you prefer. Back then this was it. Now this is it. If you notice, this one is a little more gray. Anyhow, me have to go dish out little, because look here. This is the one, part 2 one. I feel me pop this right all over here. And let me get out a little bit. How they do, please? Yes, sir. It hot though, you know. What me want the porridge, man. How they do? And look here. If you used to do this or you still do it, don't be ashamed to comment. This is how I like mine. You see? From way back when. And let me tell you. Meanwhile, me I quote up my porridge with my bread. With my bread, my bread with my porridge. Oh, Lord. I want it cool. We would get this for breakfast sometimes with it just bit. And when we have 2 little fritters, we get a 1 fritters and a little cup of this. And let me tell you, do you remember when you go to school back then in the country and they say come home for lunch? When you come back home for lunch, some of that their fireside they are warm, you know. Sometimes the fire stick, then they done, you know, cow like a puppy nose at your lunch. That please comment how they do. With the little lumpy family, please comment. It has been like decades. Welcome to the world of green banana pop. This is the way I like it. Family, I beg of you, please comment. Remember to like this video. Remember to share it. Share the banana porridge in case people forget it. Okay, remember to leave your comments below. I know you will. So principled and so decent. When you come to the channel and watch these videos, remember to subscribe. Remember to leave your comments below as soon as you subscribe. Before you leave your comments, smack the bell. That bell, when you smack that bell, it will enable you to know when I have uploaded another porridge video. Could be, you're not sure. Okay, and you don't want to be out on it. Okay, leave your comments below. That is how you'll be a member of the post notification shout out crew. Today's post notification shout out, I had your name in my mouth and you said I think I'm first. Yes, you're first, darling, but the porridge me no member. Right over my head I'll be putting you, baby. I don't know if you like that porridge, I know, but look here. Family, trust me, I'm glad so I'm born in the 60s. If you're born in the 60s and before you feel good and feel nice, comment. They be from down a yard, bless, no stress.